Your eyes need to work like a team. If even one team member falters, you start experiencing dry eye. Did you know that dry eyes is not just about tears? It's the entire ocular surface system which is involved in keeping your eyes moist and you comfortable. Let's take a look at this high-tech ecosystem that exists in your eyes and that needs to work in harmony. Number 1, the tear film layer. It has got 3 layers: the oily layer, the aqueous layer and the mucin layer. Number 2, the cornea, which is the black part of the eye, and conjunctiva, which is the white part of your eye. These surfaces need to stay smooth and healthy for you to be comfortable in light and have clear vision. Number 3, meibomian glands. These are tiny oil factories that are present in the lid which produce oil which prevents your tears from evaporating. Number 4, the lacrimal glands around the lids. These produce the watery part of the tears. Any problem in the lacrimal gland, be ready to say hello to dry eyes. Number 5, eyelids and blinking. Each blink spreads the tears evenly and clears the debris. Any trouble with the blink, be it partial blink or reduced number of blinks, or any trouble with the lids, be it incomplete closure because of facial palsy, or opening of the lids at night without you knowing, or any irregularities on the lid, can also trigger a dry eye. Number 6, the nerve supply. The nerves in the eye detect that there is dryness and have a feedback loop system so that the tears are produced and the dryness is covered. When there is a defect in the nerves or the nerves are damaged, this feedback loop system is not working and thus precipitates dry eye. So when so many components are involved, even if one system fails, it can lead to the symptoms of dryness. So treatment of dry eye is not just giving drops. It is about diagnosing what in this ecosystem is failing and what needs to be done. Stay tuned for more such dry eye related content.